That member count on that website, it's live. It's coming straight out of a Discord server right now. Discord's own API gives you gateway plumbing. The Noxyr Server API gives you tickets, sales, reviews, and activity as plain JSON. 6 endpoints, 1 key. It's free, and you can have it running in 5 minutes. Open the Noxyr dashboard, pick your server, and go to API Access. Hit Generate API Key. It starts with NXR_, and it is shown exactly once. So copy it now into an environment variable. The key carries 192 bits of entropy, and only a SHA-256 hash is stored on their side. Lose it, and you regenerate. Every request goes to noxyrbot.com/API/v1. Your key rides in an authorization header as a bearer token. That's the whole setup. Now the endpoints. Server, name, icon, live member count, online count, boosts. Tickets. Open, closed, 7 and 30-day counts, average rating. Activity. Messages, joins and leaves per day, up to 90. Invoices, counts, volume, revenue per currency, reviews, average rating, star breakdown, your latest 5. Giveaways, active, ended, total entries, and the next 5 ending. Then it's one fetch. Call the endpoint, pass the header, read member count off the JSON, and write it into the page. CORS is open, so this works straight from the browser. Under the key, 6 toggles gate what it can read. Turn one off, and that endpoint returns 403, instantly, even to a leaked key. Handle 5 errors. 401, bad key. 403, key disabled. 403, scope disabled. 404, bot removed. 429, slow down. 60 requests a minute, per key. On a public page, cache for 30 to 60 seconds, and never ship your key to the browser. Put a serverless proxy in front of it. Full docs are at noxyrbot.com/articles. Go put your server's live data where people can actually see it.